Good morning. I'm very happy to be here today to start just talking about the restoration of the nature. We all know the nature is not a monument, a car, or a painting we need to restore. As humans, we can fix the car. We can rebuild the monument because we have built it and we engineer it. But nature created us, invented us. So how can it be possible to fix something that we don't even understand perfectly? Nature is complex, and we haven't discovered yet or explored all the species, and we have only a small comprehension of the interaction between the elements of any ecosystem. And often, man don't understand something, so he don't care about destroying it. That's what is happening. So to repair the damage we have done to her, we have to understand we are not only part of the nature, but we are nature. Nature is living element. For indigenous people, nature is whole. Our planet is alive. The rivers are her blood. The trees are her hair. The soil, her skin. The wind, her breeze. And indigenous peoples, our planet, they know they are the doctor. We are protecting 80% of the world's biodiversity because our way of life do not harm nature. At the opposite, we strengthen ecosystems. We improve biodiversity by cooperating with the birds and trees, listening to the winds, observing the cloud, learning from even the little insect. We protect nature by setting up our own limits. We don't take more that Mother Earth can give, and we give back. We protect the sacred trees. We don't destroy field of the medicinal plants. We choose preciously the animal that we can kill to just to keep the balance of the ecosystem. In this session, you will meet a generation of people committed to become the doctors of the nature, the nurses of the Mother Earth, people that are fast learning, and that we indigenous peoples who have the PhDs in protection of nature will welcome them in our communities to come and do the internship. Then maybe they can become the great doctors of our Pachamama. It is the most amazing job in the planet. Even it is not a job. It is a way of life. So, with the blessing of the elder generation that come before me, and the hopes of the generation that will come after me, I am very pleased to welcome them. Thank you.